Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the freezer LED light cover in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the left side refrigerator door and insert the small flathead screwdriver into the notches in the LED light cover to pry the old cover free. To install the new freezer LED light cover, align the cover on the bottom of the door and snap it into position. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.